Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday, September 24th and it's 5 o'clock p.m. and we are just starting to feel the outer bands of the tropical storm Ian, and we're just going to take a quick tour so you can see what's going on in Jamaica. Now Jamaica is under a tropical storm watch because of this tropical storm. The tropical watch went up yesterday evening, and that was Friday, and today is Saturday. So as you can see, the rain has started, and this storm is supposed to pass south of Jamaica, so it's going to turn into a hurricane tomorrow, but it's supposed to stay offshore, but we're still supposed to get the outer bands and get some heavy wind. So we will keep you guys updated and make videos as we go along. So this is 5 p.m. on Sunday. Sorry, Saturday, 5 p.m. on Saturday, the 24th. Okay, so this is the Manor Park area. It's not as busy as it usually is, but still a lot of activity going on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll keep you guys updated with more videos. Read the passing of Tropical Storm Ian, and as soon as it turns into a hurricane, we'll let you guys know, and we will keep making the videos as long as it's safe to do so. Alright guys, have a good day.